In 1959, in the remote Ural Mountains of Russia, a group of 9 experienced hikers embarked on a winter expedition. What followed is one of the most chilling mysteries in the annals of exploration. Their tent was found shredded from the inside, as if they had desperately fled into the frigid night. Tragically, the hikers were discovered in various states of undress, frozen, and lifeless. Some had sustained severe injuries, with one hiker missing their tongue. Theories range from avalanches to military involvement, but none provide a conclusive answer. The Dyatlov Pass Incident remains an enduring enigma,